Hello friends, welcoming to you Kanva Gurukul YouTube channel. Regularly I will meet to you through this online media. Last time discuss lesson number 3 part number 1. Its title name is Atmasraddhayah Prabhav, effect of self-confidence. First of all, we will revise part number 1 for a few minutes. In this story, we saw effect of self-confidence. Once there was Eklavya, he wished to learn archery. Once he near Dronacharya and said, "Sir, teacher, I also wish to become a skilled archer. Kindly accept." And Guru Dronacharya replied, "I cannot accept you." Which reason? So Dronacharya said, I am only studied in the Kaurav and Pandavas. Listen, Eklavya, and he thought that I become archer. I become an archer. So, become archer, he obeyed an instruction of his guru. He made statue. Let's go. Part number 2. He obeyed an instruction of his guru. He made statue of guru and try to gain education. Please open textbook first and attentively listen. I studied. I read one by one sentence after word meaning, and after I do translation one by one sentence. Please open textbook and see the page number 11, para number 2. So Acharya Dronasya ekam murtim arachayat. Arachayat, a rope for past tense rope. Hastan bhutkal. Two type of the padda. First pad is parasmay padda, and suffix is उत्तम पुरुष, मध्यम पुरुष, अन्य पुरुष. अम व म स तम त ताम अन्न अरचयत त हलंत. So Acharya Dronasya ekam murtim arachayat. Arachayat means made. He made a statue of Acharya Dron. So pratidinam murtim anamat, a rope for past tense rope, third person singular rope. So pratidinam murtim anamat, he used to bow down to the statue every day. Pratah kalat sayam kal paryant dhanurvidyayah abhyasam akarot. He would practice archery from morning to evening daily. Shane sa kushal dhanurdhara abhavat. Slowly he became a skilled archer. एकदा तस्मिन् वने गुरुद्रोणः पांडवे कौरवे च सह आगच्छत्. Past tense root. Main root is gam gaccha. Gam main dhatu. Order for gach. आगच्छत, तो हलन थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर, आगच्छत। वंस गुरु द्रोण केम, गमगच्छ कम, but a past tense came. Once Guru Dron came to that forest with the Pandav and Kaurava. एक कुकुर तान दृष्टवान अभर्षत, ये dog started barking on seeing them. Them means all of them, Kaurav and Pandavas. Came, Guru Dron came forest and dog started barking. Is seeing all of them, Kaurav and Pandav, barking. So word for kukura, kukur means dog, is synonym words for kukur, sunakah, sharmeya. Arjuna dhanusyam उत्थापयति स्म वर्ड्स, स्पेशल यूज ऑफ संस्कृत इज स्म वर्ड्स। जब स्म में स्म किसी रूप के पीछे लगता है तो इनका जो स्वरूप है, यानी रूप का जो स्वरूप है, वो वर्तमान होते हुए भी उनका रूप वर्तमान में है, उनका जो उच्चार है या उसका ट्रांसलेशन है वो भूत में होता है। देखिए, अर्जुन धनुष्यम उत्थापयति, अर्जुन पिक्ड अप द बो, तदेव एकलव्य बाणे ही तस्य कुकुरस्य मुखम असीवयत्। एट दैट इंस्टेंट एकलव्य stitched up the dog's mouth with arrow. Dronacharya etat, Dronacharya seeing this Dronacharya drashtva tra agachat tam cha apuchat. Came Dronacharya came there and asked him, Kahatav Acharya, who is your teacher? Dog barking, and that at that time Dronacharya at that time Eklavya stitched up a dog mount with arrows, picked up, and Dronacharya apuchat, Dronacharya asked, who is your teacher? Kahatav Acharya, tadasa Dronacharya tam murtim adarsayat. Then he showed the statue of Dronacharya. Eklavya guru shraddhayaha swashraddhaya cha pratikah asti. Eklavya is an example of faith in the teacher and self-confidence. Eklavya asman shikshyati. Eklavya teaches us swayam jyoti swayam pragnya bhavatu. If become your own light and discregging intelligence. यदि अस्मासु आत्मश्रद्धा अस्ति तई कापि सिद्धि दुर्लभा नास्ति, डिजॉल्व द संधि नह अस्ति. If we have self-confidence, then no achievement will be difficult to attain for us. Anantaram आत्मश्रद्धाया बलेन सह श्रेष्ठ धनुर्धर अभवत. Then he became the best archer on the strength of self-confidence. तो आत्मश्रद्धा और स्वश्रद्धा से आत्मश्रद्धा और स्वश्रद्धा से अपने आप कोई भी चीज़ हासिल करने में दिक्कत नहीं होती। ये यहाँ एग्जाम्पल के स्वरूप में एकलव्य ने हमको दिखाया। तो हमें भी सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस, अपने भी सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस से किसी भी चीज़ को हम हासिल कर सकते हैं। पार्ट नंबर 2 इज़ ओवर, लेसन 3 इज़ ओवर। फर्स्ट you write a glossary after translation in your notebook. Good day, goodbye, Jai Swami Narayan.